Hello friends, and a big hello to all gardening fans. Today I'll tell you something about bonsai of mums. So it's very easy to do bonsai of chrysanthemums. And before sharing how to do bonsai of mums, I just want to share one small thing about mums, the flowers. Actually, in Japan, the flowers they considered as a symbol of beauty, the national flower. But at the same time, the most unique about this flower is in Europe, in France, they consider this flower as a symbol of grief, that is death. So whenever somebody dies in someone's house or whenever they are going to the graveyard, they carry a big bunch of chrysanthemums. So whenever if you are in France and you are visiting somebody's house, or if you want to express your thank, then never give a bunch of mums. So it's just something came to my mind because I was in France for a long time. So then I came to know about this, and there in France you can see the flower shops full of mums. So you'll feel like buying few and planted it in your garden. So that's it. And now I'll tell, you can see this plant. So this is around 6 years old, and see how I have done it. I have never bought it to make it bonsai. But what happened when I bought it like around 5 years back, then after 3 or 4 months, what I noticed that all the buds, here you can see all the buds become black and as if it burned. So then that time what I did, I just cut all the tip of the plant. Then I noticed that after a month of trimming, and just before frost, the new flowers have come. Now you can see it's the month of October, and then all new flowers have come, and my plant is full of flowers. And from this, what I do, whenever I see that the flowers are this kind of buds, I immediately cut it down. So pruning is very important if you want to do bonsai. And also after pruning, what I do, the cutting I put in different pots. You can see the result here. These are the cuttings. See, you can see it is just 2 months old plant, and you can see the flowers. So whenever you want to do bonsai of mums, you have to keep in mind that the soil should not be very wet. So whenever it's necessary, you put water, otherwise leave it. If you see that the leaves are going down, then only you put it. And secondly, if you want to make bonsai of chrysanthemum, never buy the ready-made bonsai from the shop. It's better if you do it at home. After one season of planting, say after 2-3 months, you cut everything around 2 inch. All the tips you have to cut and let them grow up with new stem, new buds, new leaves. And if you do it every year, after every 6 months, then gradually you will get a bunch of flowers with less leaves but lots of flowers. So friend, thank you for watching.